Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my page. How are you? How are you doing? But really, how are you doing? How are you holding up with 2020? It's been a year, huh? It's been a trying time, hasn't it? In today's tutorial, I am going to feature the new Morphe and Coca-Cola palette to give you guys this amazing look, this chocolate, not Coca-Cola look right here. I hope you guys are super excited to go from drab to fab. Also, at the end of this, I didn't tell you guys, but I throw on a pair of the Ardell Demi Wispies. I think these are the double stacked Demis. Anywho, just keep watching if you want to see how to get this look. And I love you guys so much. Thanks for being here. This is a really hard time right now, so I'm so glad that you're spending it with me. But yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. I love you so much. Bye. Hi, welcome back. I'm gonna do my makeup. I have a couple of palettes I am debating over using. I have the Coca-Cola Morphe palette. I have the Milani Luster Light palette and the Milani Gilded Nude palette. But I think, because it's so popular right now, I think I'm gonna go Coca-Cola palette. So, I just got done doing my eyes, my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna take some concealer and put it over my lid. So here is what the Morphe Coca-Cola palette looks like. Here's it right here. So a little bit darker, deepening shades here, some super brights here, and like your everyday blending colors there. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe 532 just big fluffy brush, and I am gonna go into this shade right here. Let's lay down a piece of tape because I think I'm envisioning what I'm gonna do. Okay, so going back into that blending shade, and I'm just going to rock that in the socket. Let me see if I can. There we go. And I like to tilt my head back as I do this, really focusing this color right here in the socket aspect. I like to blur it up into the brows. Personal preference, you do not have to. And I just keep building that color up ever so lightly. I'm going to go now into this color right here on a brush that's pressed down. Cute. No, I'm lying to you. I'm gonna go into this color right here because it's got a bit of that yellow tone to it, and I want that. So here's what I'm gonna do with this color. I am going to kind of work this on the lash line and then work it into the crease. And we want to diffuse that. We don't want a harsh edge there. These are a bit chalky on the eye. I'm not gonna lie, I like my Jaclyn Hill palette more. These are definitely dry shadows. Yeah, these are like super patchy. I'm gonna take this color right here, this like red toned one, that red toned brown, I'm gonna take it on a brush like this, and I am going to bounce. I love to use a lot of colors like this to build up the look that I'm going for, because I like a very diffused look, and I find that building up the colors like this is the best way to get that really hazy look, and I love a good hazy look. And you always keep your brushes next to you so you can just blend everything out. For green eyes and brown eyes, this is going to be great because the red tone in this is really going to grab that iris color and enhance it. We'll just go in with this guy right here, and I'm going to take a brush like this, and we're going to go in here and use this as like a pseudo eyeliner. So build this up on the lash line and on the tape, and again, keep the last brush around because we're gonna haze this out. Okay, so we've got a nice base. Let's blend. Even after I apply some of that fresh color, we'll push just the corner of it, just like that. If you wanted to add some black, go ahead. I'm good with browns. I love browns for my eye color. I know someone out there is probably dying to use black. Go for it. You get it, honey. Now the most exciting part. Well, actually, you know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna go in this flat shader brush and I'm gonna mix these two, this like tan color, and then just a little bit of that frosted color. And I'm gonna do my brow bone with that. Okay, so truly, truly, truly my favorite part. I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and I'm gonna pick up this glitter right here. What are you even called? Happiness. Isn't that so perfect? That color brings me so much happiness. So I'm gonna pick it up like this on my brush and I'm just gonna come in and start stamping it on the lid. I love it. We're just gonna keep building that color. This is so easy to apply. I'm so happy about this. And now let's just go over the liner. I feel like I need a fade color there. I'll pick that out in a second. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do though for this spot right here. I have this shadow from Lorac and it looks like this. It's a dark chocolate glitter. I'm gonna lay it down with my flat brush and I'm gonna come back in with my fluffy brush and we're gonna blend that. Let's moisturize. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream. I saw this online on TikTok. I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed, so I am so excited. Never gonna have to deal with my bull crap hand ever again. So I am going to put my favorite Mario Badescu lip product on because I get foundation all over my lips. Anyways, so I moisturize. Now I'm gonna prime. I really like this Hard Candy Hydrating Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. Reminds me a lot of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I always mix a couple of foundations, so please, for the love of God, forgive me. So don't be me. I am mixing my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 202 and a little bit of my Pure 4-in-1 Selfie. I always mix it on the back of a palette like this, and then I just go whack on my face. And just keep gently bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Make sure you get everything blended in. Don't forget your jawline. For concealer, I'm going to actually use my Arbonne concealer. I used to sell Arbonne, I don't anymore. But this is the concealer in Fair, and I love this because of the applicator and how wet the formula. Then, I got this new Flesh foundation stick in 28 Cafe. And I am just gonna give a little bit of dimension to my face. I haven't worn this much makeup and I can't tell you how long, but it feels so good. I'm usually like a little bit of spot concealing out the door. See you later. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my favorite under eye powder right now is the Fenty Lavender Powder. I'm just nearly about out. So I'm gonna go into the Pure powder. This is the Pure Translucent Setting Powder. Comes with this. The packaging, not a huge fan of. And I'm just gonna set my under eye with this. It smells like chocolate or like white chocolate something though. So I am a huge fan of that part of it. But do you see how it adds like, it doesn't brighten. Definitely is not a brightening powder. I really, really like the Fenty powder because I feel like it is quite brightening. Now, I do not set my face. If you need to set your face, please go ahead and set. Something I have been using just a little bit in like my T-zone is my Neutrogena Mineral Shears, and I feel like this gives a great sheen to the skin and a little added coverage. So I might do something like that. On my lighter days of makeup, I would just wear this and like spot concealing. Then I have this palette right here from Physicians Formula. This is the Butter London, or the Butter collection with Whaley. I'm not sure. Someone's gonna roast my ass because I don't follow YouTube as much as I should anymore. This is an amazing palette. My sister-in-law actually picked it up for me while they were here, so thanks, Horror. Again, we're just going to, I mixed both of those bronzer colors and I'm just adding dimension really lightly. This hair is like on another level right now. Like, what is all of these? For my blush, I'm actually going to use Luminize highlighter and blush palette from Catrice. I'm going to use the blush in it. And this one is 010 Rose Vibes Only. Shoresies. It reminds me a little bit of Orgasm from NARS. I absolutely love this highlight, but I also absolutely love the highlight in this palette. This one, surprisingly, no, sorry, this one, love. So, love a good highlight. Okay, let's do my under eyes because I feel like I look like I'm dying. So I'm gonna take the brown and scoot it the rest of the way across the bottom of the eye. I'm just gonna use my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. This one's in brown, but use whatever brown eyeliner you have. My Essence one is my favorite brown eyeliner of all time. Then I'm gonna come in with this brush. Again, we're gonna work our way back out with the brushes we use. So, and I'm gonna start to blend that out and down, again with this brush, and going in with this color right here. Bring that guy even further down. It's gonna feel weird, like you're literally drawing on under eye bags, and you are. I'm just gonna throw on Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. Let's use the Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use my Essence Stay 8-Hour Lip Liner, which is waterproof, in the color 02 Tea Time. Oops. It's an automatic lip liner, which I love. I think I'm gonna use this Dose of Colors lipstick in Lazy Daisy. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline lipstick in 940 Touchable Taupe. And it's like a beautiful mauve-y chocolate brown. Be right back. Okay, so there we have the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed doing this look with me using the Morphe and Coca-Cola palette. That was so much fun. That was not, I didn't see this looking more like chocolate, but I don't hate that. I don't hate that at all. Here we are looking more like chocolate than Coca-Cola, but I'm totally okay with that. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. Like this video, make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in all the places, but until then, I will see you guys next time.